Happening this week, a statewide teacher walkout is planned for Wednesday as teachers rally in Columbia for education reform. This morning, South Carolina Representative J.A. Moore tweeted that he supports the all-out walkout rally. He joins us in studio. Thanks so much for being with us, Mr. Moore.
It's good to see you again. Thank you.
So there are a lot of people on either sides of this all-out walkout. Tell us why you're supporting it.
Well, number one, my mom's an educator. My sister was an educator. I have another sister that was an educator, and also my niece. And throughout my time running for office and getting elected, I've listened to teachers. And I'm just very supportive of activism. And so I'm just supportive of the teachers. I agree with their position. And so I'm just for them.
And today the superintendent, Molly Spearman, spoke out saying that she understands their concerns, but that they owe it to the state of South Carolina to be in the classroom. What do you think for those who say that those students are counting on their teachers being in the classroom on that day? Well,
I definitely agree with that, but I also think that the superintendent of education and the General Assembly owes it to the students as well to live up to our obligations when we're talking about base student costs, when we're talking about classroom sizes, when we're talking about paying our teachers like the professionals that they are. So I think we have to look, sometimes it's easier to say what other people should be doing, but I think we have an obligation as well to our students.
Certainly a conversation starter, and you as a legislature have introduced some amendments. Tell us about what you are fighting for in terms of getting teachers better pay.
So a couple of things. Number one, one of the things that I did during the budget conversation is said, let's take that $91 million of surplus that we had from last year's taxes, and let's give a one-time, well-deserved bonus rebate check to teachers. That would have been about $1,600. So what can you do with $1,600? That's you can pay for gas for a full year and still have about $500 left. You can take a well-deserved vacation to Disney World or Six Flags or something like that. You can, most teachers spend on average about $2,000 of their personal funds in order to supply their classroom. That would give them some relief. So that's one of the things we did during the budget debate. And also I introduced earlier this month, a bill that would help allow federal funds to come in as a proposal by Senator Kamala Harris to supply about a 19% teacher raise. We need to start having those kind of conversations and continue. I also worked on, and we talked about this last time, dealing with classroom management, mental health, and school bills. And unfortunately, we're going to have a subcommittee hearing on those bills this coming week.
A lot of issues to tackle, Mr. Moore. I wish we had more time, but thank you so much for being with us. We have more news 2 at 4 after the break.